So today we're going to look at how to use this electric rolling knife sharpener, rolling stone knife sharpener that has kind of the advantages of a manual one and also an electric one. It's electric, obviously, so it's a powered thing, but then also it gives us a lot of control over the angle, the cut angle, the sharpening angle on the blade and everything like that. And then also this particular one, and if you're interested in this, there'll be a link below to this product. It has, a lot of the automatic ones, they'll only have three. They'll have like a coarse, a fine, and then a strop or a whetstone. Only the three settings. Now this actually comes with 5 different stones that you can use, and really all we need to do is, so this turns. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna choose which stone you want to use, and then that stone just pops on here magnetically, like that, boom. And then we're going to come around here and just hold the power button to turn it on. We're also going to charge it here, and see the stone is now, sharpening stone is now turning. So then we're going to come over. So what we're going to do then is we're just going to attach our knife to this side. And one of the neat things about this is that we can control the angle of the grind. So we're going to use this dial here to control the angle of the grind. I want you to take a look here, and you'll see as I turn the dial here, see both. Just keep an eye on that edge there. See how that goes? Whoop, and that's going to give you a steeper angle and a wider angle. So you're going to set the angle that you want to do it on, and then you're just going to have this right up at the top of there, the blade right up at the top of here. Turn this on, and then you can just come back and forth on your blade like so. And I have 3 different speeds. So basically on this, a long press will turn it on and a long press will turn it off. And then I can adjust the sharpening speed once it's on by a short press. That's all there is to it.